This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking down essential prerequisites, defined roles, pipeline stages, and the exact fields you'll track. Create a new board from the hiring template and add groups for open, interviewing, and offer so items flow visually. Once done, build a form that feeds resumes and candidate data into the board. Make sure to add automations that notify owners when statuses change and assign teammates automatically. That saves time and prevents items from stalling in the first 48 hours. Now handle screening and collaboration. You'll score candidates using a numeric column and schedule interviews via a date column. Sync that date to your calendar so no one misses slots. Once done, use Kanban to push candidates through stages and table view for fast bulk edits like changing owners or scores. Make sure to integrate email templates and Slack alerts so hiring managers get real-time updates. This keeps decisions moving and reduces back and forth that stalls mid-process. To finish, move accepted candidates to an onboard group and trigger an onboarding checklist automation that assigns HR tasks immediately. Once done, archive declined items or tag them for future sourcing, and export time to hire and source ROI metrics for review. If things go wrong, first audit automations and permission scopes, then verify form field mappings. Often broken automations or incorrect column types block items from populating. Make sure owners have edit rights and rerun a test submission to confirm fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.